The U.S. Supreme Court just made a major ruling affecting transgender and non-binary Americans. It's now allowed the Trump administration to enforce a policy requiring passports to show only a person's biological sex at birth. This lifts a temporary court block and marks another key moment in the ongoing legal battles over gender identity rights. Here's the history in a nutshell. Passports have shown sex markers since 1976. In 1992, people could change their marker with medical proof. Then in 2021, the Biden administration added an X option for non-binary travelers. But in 2025, the Trump administration reversed that, removing the X and requiring biological sex only. Lawsuits immediately followed. The Supreme Court allowed the policy to proceed, saying that showing sex at birth is like showing a country of birth, a factual record, not discrimination. But this is temporary. The court didn't make a final ruling on whether the policy is constitutional. Three justices, Ketanji Brown Jackson, Sonia Sotomayor, and Elena Kagan, strongly dissented, warning the decision could harm transgender and non-binary people. The ACLU called it a heartbreaking setback, noting that forcing people to carry passports that don't reflect their identity could increase harassment or even danger. The policy was first blocked by a federal judge in Massachusetts, citing equal protection concerns. The Trump administration argued it's neutral because it applies the same rule to everyone. Attorney General Pam Bondi called the ruling a victory for recognizing biological sex. This follows the Supreme Court's earlier decision allowing a ban on transgender military service. Experts warn these rulings could affect travel safety, international recognition, and access to documentation for transgender and non-binary Americans. For now, passports will show biological sex only, and the X option is gone. Ongoing lawsuits in lower courts will decide if this policy stands in the long term. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.